core system libraries failing because of the Performance Network Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Performance Network Library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Performance Network Library, the Performance Monitor Network Counter Library responsible for collecting network throughput metrics used by Windows tools such as Task Manager and Performance Monitor. It interfaces with WMI performance classes to expose network statistics. If corrupted, performance monitoring tools may fail to display network usage or trigger WMI-related errors, such as 0.804.10. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Because Performance Network Library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open Command Prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Performance Network Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Performance Network Library DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. Review options for improved system responsiveness by consulting the primary tool linked below for Performance Network Library. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Performance Network Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.